Welcome to Integrative Nutrition for Life's video presentation.
Vitamin B5, also known as pantothenic acid, is essential for energy production and metabolic balance. It plays a central role in creating coenzyme A, one of the most important molecules in your entire metabolism. Without enough B5, your body struggles to break down fats, carbohydrates, and proteins efficiently. Chemically, vitamin B5 has the formula C9H17O5. Though simple in structure, it is the building block for coenzyme A, often called the metabolic connector. CoA links together countless biochemical reactions, making B5 essential for energy, hormone production, and cellular repair. Inside your cells, pantothenic acid becomes coenzyme A, a molecule required for breaking down fatty acids, generating ATP, and synthesizing essential hormones. CoA is involved in hundreds of metabolic reactions, making B5 a cornerstone of energy and vitality. Vitamin B5 also supports your adrenal glands, which help regulate stress hormones. Coenzyme A is required for producing cortisol, adrenaline, and other key hormones. Adequate B5 helps maintain balanced stress responses and steady energy throughout the day. Research shows that low B5 levels can impair fatty acid metabolism, reduce energy output, and affect adrenal hormone balance. Studies highlight that restoring pantothenic acid supports metabolic efficiency and helps maintain healthy stress resilience. Peer-reviewed studies also link pantothenic acid to improved lipid metabolism, enhanced mitochondrial function, and better cellular repair. Scientists continue exploring its role in supporting healthy skin, balanced hormones, and long-term metabolic wellness. You can increase your vitamin B5 intake through foods like avocados, mushrooms, chicken, eggs, lentils, and whole grains. These nutrient-dense options help support energy production, hormone balance, and overall metabolic health. For those who may not get enough pantothenic acid from food alone, B5 supplements are widely available. They offer a simple way to support energy production, adrenal function, and overall metabolic balance. Your body thrives when it has the nutrients it needs. Vitamin B5 plays a powerful role in energy, metabolism, and stress resilience. Supporting your B5 levels can help you feel more balanced, focused, and energized. Make vitamin B5 a priority today. Your metabolism, your energy, and your long-term wellness will thank you. Stay committed to your health journey and continue watching the series to build a stronger, more energized you. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your health goals in the comments and let us know what topics you want next. Together, we are building unstoppable energy and vitality. Your journey starts now.
Do you have questions, comments, or want expert health tips? Visit the website below and reach out via email today. Connect with a very smart, triple certified health coach ready to help you improve your health and well-being.